Okay, I'm back. All right. Well, sound like the rain is letting up. So, yeah, sound like the rain is letting out. Sound like it's slacking up a little bit. No floods. At least not in this area. So it's kind of sprinkling right now. Uh-huh. It's kind of sprinkling right now. Well, sprinkling soft rain. It's raining soft now. Not drizzling, but raining soft. But thank God there's no flooding. I thought it was gonna be heavy rain today. Rainy, stormy day. Mm-hmm. It was heavy rain earlier. As y'all saw the last videos. Started my day off early. Oh boy, sure is a cold day, but eventually it's gonna warm up. Okay. Yep. So there we go. As y'all know. Okay. Can't go on the back because there's no shelter on the back. Y'all already know. Uh huh. So, way I think about it, ladies and gentlemen, we just. So while it's while the rain's still coming down, not no hard rain. So this gonna be the last segment I'm gonna do. You know, if I ever decide to come out, I'm rocking back and forth. That's why it's moving like that. All right. Yeah, just to stay a tad bit warm. Okay, so when I think about it, y'all, it's a rainy morning. Well, it's evening time now. You know. Okay, it's evening time now. You know. Evening time, everything. Uh huh. Okay. I doubt it if it's gonna rain more tonight. Maybe it will rain tonight. You know. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. All right. All right. I've been talking much. So let's hope and pray everything be fine this summer. So we had a lot of hurricanes last year. It seemed like 15 hurricanes, I think. Was it 15 or 20 hurricanes? After all my years of living on this earth, we didn't have them many hurricanes. We didn't have them many hurricanes at all. Dealing with Hurricane Cristobal, Zeta, Laura, and Delta, hurricanes like that. Couldn't believe Hurricane Zeta hit us. We haven't had a hurricane since Isaac. The first Isaac. You know, Hurricane Barry had missed us. But it hit New Iberia and Lafayette. You know, the first year my mom was gone. Mm-hmm. Yes, indeed. So as we as we out here looking at the rain, y'all see my face now. You know. Okay. So it done got cool. So it's the last Facebook Live video I'm gonna do. Okay. For the day. You know. All right. So that'll be it. Okay. So I don't know why I'm filming the steps. You know, is the rain come down? Is the rain come down and stuff like that? You know, it's raining even more harder now. You know, it was raining soft. Now is it raining medium? Is it raining medium? Or is it, well, it's raining medium, you know? All right. Yes, indeed, yo. Mm-hmm. All right. All right. I don't know what the hell to say, honestly, you know? I literally don't know what the heck to say, you know? I literally don't know what to say. So, all right. So, soap, or whatever the heck I want to say. What's so funny? Nothing funny, you know? So, watch too many of them Liza Koshy videos. I love Liza, you know? Oh, it's raining harder now. It's starting to rain harder now. It was raining soft. Well, you know what, ladies and gentlemen? I might change my mind. So technically, I changed my mind. This not the last Facebook Live I'ma do. You know, it just in case of anything. You know, so I changed my mind. You know, this won't be the last one. You know. Mm-hmm. I wonder if my friend Latoya is safe. Well, yeah, she's safe. Yeah, she's safe. You know, it was raining soft, but now it's raining even harder now. You know. It's raining even harder. You know. Nobody, almost nobody don't like. Well, technically, nobody likes to drive in the rain. You know, nobody likes to drive in the rain at all. You know, so good thing I could do my weather from where I stand. You know, so I wouldn't mind doing as a mosquito. You know, I hate mosquitoes. You know, I was looking at a mosquito, you know, flying out of control. Make sure those bugs don't get in my house. You know, I hate bugs. You know, I hate all types of insects. You know. All right. So, raining even more harder. You know. So I changed my mind. This ain't the last Facebook Live I'ma do. You know. So I'll wait till tomorrow probably, you know. All right. Yeah, I remember when the tornado hit only the eastern in 2017, you know. Yeah. In 2017 they had a whatchamacallit, you know. Oh well. A tornado and you know my cousin Ryan ran into the. No, that was 2016. My bad. 2016. My bad. Was I right the first time? I don't know. You know, whenever that was, they did a tornado. You know, whenever that was, could. I mean, the thing is, that tornado could have picked them up and dropped them off somewhere. You know, probably picked them up and dropped them off in Lake Pontchartrain or something. Would have been reported missing, bruh. Dang, gone. Well, I must say, y'all. Nice Kia, you know. Well, I guess that's all for now. I'll probably be back if I think about it, much as it rains. or if it be flooded or whatnot. Oh well.